Welcome to another edition of the Gagasi FM Sports Unlocked. Igama Samkelo, the Sports Mchita. I have a very special guest joining me, Mqeqeshi Amazulu Football Club, Coach Atazwane. Welcome to Gagasi FM, Coach. Cool. Coach, you have a very tough game coming up against your local rivals, Golden Arrows, Kona namhlanje.
Yeah, look, unfortunately, derby games are so unpredictable. So what we need, we want to win, but we know again we're gonna have to dig deep in order for us to get maximum points. So yeah, it's gonna be really tough. So, but we're hoping to get maximum points.
Yeah, and how important is it this game in terms of consolidating your position? You are playing for top 4. You could even go higher this season, and also Golden Arrows is something to play for. They're currently in the top 8.
We're playing for something, and apart from that, we're playing for points. There's a lot at stake, This is the derby here in KZN, and people they expect us to come here and bring our A game. So we're gonna give it our best shot, but it's gonna be a tough game for both teams.
Coach, umubheka umehluko between iqembu lakho Amazulu Football Club and Kaizer Chiefs, your former club, by the way, awukho omkhulu kangaka in terms of the lock position. Mhlawumbe kungasho ukuthini kuwena uma ningakwazi as Amazulu Football Club uqeda ku number 3, also considering ukuthi Durban City have just won lapha iNedbank Cup. Ngabaleka kangakanani for amaqembu ala KZN amabili to play continental football?
Kungaba kuhle kakhulu ukuthi ubone amaqembu la KZN participate ku CAF. Izonikeza futhi nabantwana abala abasakhula ithuba la experience yokudlala nje participate at that level. Ne development as well. Because ukhumbule impact yaloko, the positive impact yayo inceda automatically sekunikeza ukuthi kumele ube namantombazana. So now you can imagine ukuthi both genders now they're gonna benefit. So, and how many players as well that they're gonna get the opportunity to travel to Africa, get to know and understand how is life like in Africa, apart from football. So that teaches them other things, and now they become complete footballers at a younger age because of they gain that experience. So, Tina nje so happy for Durban City. Singamazulu so happy for Durban City because silona umlando manje kumele nathi siulandele wonke umuntu ukuthi season neseason at least ama teams aseDurban e1 kumele win icup kuze nabantu bazoze ebholweni bazosupport ama teams aseDurban. Okuhle kwenzwe yibona ngiphinde futhi ngibonge lo coach Pitso Dladla wenza umsebenzi omuhle kakhulu and ekugcineni uNkulunkulu uphendulile amaphupho wakhe ngoba icoach esecoach kuma structures amaningi futhi nakuma teams cishe wonke ama I would say ABC Municipal League ku first division and wakena ama promotion futhi and then manje win cup ku PSL ngeDurban City. So wenza umsebenzi omuhle kakhulu thina siyambongela singabo coach ngoba yiloko kumele kubonakala ukuthi sikhula. So makuyisikhathi sakhe sokukhula nokuphumelela simfisela okuhle kakhulu kuyaphambili ukuthi ngathi ngaba futhi kuningi okwenzakalayo kuhle kwenzaka okufana naloko kuyena ucoach Pitso ngoba indoda futhi eziphethe kahle manje uyithulele unomoya omuhle ophansi. So uNkulunkulu umphendule ngicabanga ukuthi ngesikhathi esi right. So ke isizokhuthaza nawo wonke ucoach ola kule area ukuthi ifootball ayingegama iya ngomsebenzi owenzayo. Ulandela imisebenzi yakho bese uba ne-reputation enhle enekugcineni uNkulunkulu uzokuphendula nama-Guardian Angels wakho azokuphendula nabantu bazokubona ba-right ukhule njengomqeqeshi. So yeah yenza okukhulu lo kwenzakela okukhulu ku KZN. So kwenza kuletha a positive impact nje and positive energy amongst us as footballers. So yeah si happy kakhulu, hopefully ke nathi ngelinye ilanga sizothola lo thuba lokuthi siphakamise indaba.
Yeah, cabanga ukuthi coach niseduzane kakhulu kuphakamiseni indebe. Mhlawumbe mawukhuluma ne-president of the football club uZungu uthini ngeprogress yenu so far kule season? Siyazi ukuthi ethatha nje over as president of Amazulu Football Club. He has always envisioned the team ukuthi is capable of finishing with top 4, and manje lokho siyakubona ukuthi engathi kuyenzeka, and it could even be better as you guys could still even finish laphana kwi top 3. Mhlawumbe kuthini nje mawukhuluma naye kulezi insuku, and mhlawumbe ujabule kangakanani ngeprogress yenu so far?
President is a winner, by nature. Is this type of a person or belivela ukuthi into ayibambayo iba nesibani. Uyabona unjalo inhlobo yakhe, and if you want to succeed you have to associate with such people. And he's made it clear from day one ngesikhathi take over la noma ngiza no coach Kanu la ukuthi this is the plan, and akukho kujikayo futhi sisaselapho ukuthi plan yipi. Makuba ngcono kunaloko sizofuna ukusebenzela phezulu kwaloko ukuthi futhi kube ngcono. So but sisebenza no president of very ambitious, ofuna ukubona, and high for Amazulu but for everyone, or part and parcel Amazulu ufuna ukumbona ephumelele empilweni. So we are blessed to have someone like him, especially with football, fraternity.
No, siyabonga kakhulu coach for joining us at Tazwane ahead of the game against Golden Arrows khona la this Wednesday at the Moses Mapida Stadium. Sibonga kakhulu coach.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu Bhuti Omdala.